skill, okay? So it's very scalable, that's why I like it, okay? It's not a thing that's only gonna work when you're in elementary or middle school or high school, and you gotta learn something else. It's a very scalable move, okay? All right. I forgot your question already, what was it?
How far?
Oh, space. Yeah, that's a good question. Okay, so I quarter turn, boom, heads up, right? Heads up, I pivot, okay? Right now I do not have enough space, okay? So I'm gonna take my time, I'm gonna keep my hands down, right? I'm staying in good position, and I'm not getting excited, okay? So I wanna create space, and I might rotate a couple times. Boom. See that disengagement right there? That little space? I feel that, I'm aware of that. I'm not lifting my hands, keep them low. Okay, right when I attack that tight waist hand and I step, take it out of my pocket, what's this foot doing? What's that called? What did we learn earlier today? Back step, back step. How many back steps did we do today? A lot? Yeah? Who's in math class? Math class? Raise your hand. Right. Everyone, right? Okay. Who's learning multiplication right now? You learn multiplication? Yeah? Who's learning adding? Adding? Okay. Hey. What's that? Adding fractions. Okay. Sweet. Guys, hey, wrestling, okay? When we're learning wrestling, if we can learn how to multiply our time, okay, we're gonna get more, right? Okay, so when we're wrestling, when I'm wrestling Aaron, I attack step, right? What's this back step, right? We did back step on a single first. You guys remember that from a snap? Okay. So I back step here, that's a skill, right? Back step, boom. We got that. Okay, we did it in stance of motion first. Then we did it from our snap from our right side. Okay. Then we did it from our snap from our left side, right? And now we're doing it from bottom in a quad pod, right? With this foot. I'm back step, okay? If I do 2-on-1 and I step, or let's do it. If I do an underhook and I step to threaten this guy, and I want to snap from here, I'm gonna back step, right? Okay, all these things repeat itself, okay? So once we find a pattern, right, that's a pattern, we look at all the ways that thing applies, right? Does that kind of make sense?
Yeah, all he's talking about, guys, is these skills, these fundamental component skills, you're gonna see them over and over and over again when you wrestle. And it's not just the back step, it's that hand roll motion right here, right? This outside attack step, back step. Those are fundamental components of probably the majority of the moves. Does that make sense? Attack step, back step, whether you're penetration step, whether you're outside step, they're all attack steps, right? That back step, whether you're snapping, whether you're coming out on bottom, right? There's a million times you're gonna do that back step. That's why we break them down like this, so they have names, so you guys can recognize them, so that you guys can be creative with them. Mix them and move them around, right? When you get good at the stuff we're doing. Kind of make sense? But you've seen that back step a million times. That's all it is. It's just another back step when you're coming out of that quad. Yeah? Cool?
All right, guys. All right.